I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hello everyone, hope your day is off to a good start. Mine is, because Connor is off from work today, which is very lovely. Everyone in his office had to go on this like day-long retreat thing, but he didn't have to go, so he just gets to hang out with me. Good stuff. And we have absolutely no plan for the day. We're trying to think of something fun to do.
Maybe museums?
Yeah, we were talking about maybe museums. TBD, we'll report back. But we're just gonna start by going for a walk and getting a coffee. Yeah, so let's go. All right, we stopped at Starbucks. I got a chai. Connor was responsible and just got one of the free coffees from my building. Like I probably should have, but it's a
some people
special
are just
day.
a little more basic.
Yeah, I want a chai tea latte with non-fat milk and sugar-free vanilla, and that just cannot be supplied.
Treat yourself, girl.
Thank you, appreciate the support. Wow.
Scooter skills.
We're just trying to get to the museum district, and the escalator isn't running, so we have to walk all the way up these stairs. I feel like the camera's not even doing it justice with how high it is. It's a lot of stairs, you guys. Last set of stairs. I think we tackled this pretty well.
We call this the climb.
Nice, consistent.
The cultural climb.
Oh my god.
To get to the museums.
Oh,
Yeah.
that sucked.
Hey guys, we're here. Downtown LA.
Go ahead,
know
you give
who
the
it is.
update.
So we tried going to the Broad, to no avail, unfortunately.
It was like an hour wait to get in. Anyway, yeah, we couldn't get into the Broad, and we don't want to go to Mocha because it's not that good and it costs $15. So I think now what we're gonna do is go try to find some food and see what happens.
Right? We could go, maybe we should try somewhere in Echo Park or someplace or so.
That'd be fun, yeah. Or even
Let's
like,
stop somewhere in 7th. Like get our plane, like
Yeah.
grab a beer or something.
sounds good. I like it. Thought maybe we'd check out the library. No? Let's go around this way, like into the courtyard.
No, let's slam the
True, yeah, we should knock harder. We are just exploring today.
Yeah.
We're explorers, basically.
Yeah, you know, don't like to brag about it.
But we're explorers.
Look at what we're
I know,
exploring
this is so beautiful. Like, hello, since when downtown? You look so beautiful. Yeah, this is not looking promising. Library's probably closed. Yeah, no. Oh well.
That's beautiful.
I know, we definitely need to come back and check it out. Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
Oh, that was good. It was a nice noise. I know, we're at the Nomad. It's so beautiful in here. I'll show you the dining room before we leave.
Getting a little bougie.
Yeah, a little bougie.
Just a little bit.
Look at how beautiful this is in here. That ceiling. Dining room is so gorgeous. I just love this place. It's so nice. Okay, let's roll. Alrighty, we made it to lunch. I just got this fried shrimp sandwich. Connor got a pork sandwich. They look amazing. We are at Baco Mercat. We've never had, at least I've never had their sandwiches. Have you?
Yeah, I've had it once.
Okay, yeah.
Their
it's
dinner's really good too.
Yeah, their dinner I really, really liked. Just made it back home. It's about 3:30 p.m. We just like hung out at the restaurant for a little while and just chatted. And then we decided to split off because it is a work day after all. We were sort of treating it like a weekend all morning, but technically we are meant to be working today. Connor like didn't have to go into the office or anything, but he had a few things that he wanted to get done, so he headed home to work on that, and I obviously have some work to deal with as well, so I'm working on editing over here for my main channel. Also did my dishes, so sorry if my dishwasher's making an annoying amount of noise. Anyway, I'm just gonna work on editing here for a little while, and then I'm actually going to a holiday party tonight. I don't think Connor's gonna come with me. He said he was gonna decide last minute, but he has work in the morning and he has to wake up really early for work, so it just doesn't really make sense for him to go out and do things on weeknights unless it's like chill. I don't know how much of the party I'm gonna film. I'll try my best, but like there's no one really there who it's like, I don't know, a filming thing. But I'll see if maybe I'm brave enough to get a few clips. I'll try to get at least 1 or 2 clips while I'm there, but also no promises. We'll see. So yeah, I'll show you how I get ready and all of that stuff. I want to get myself a matcha. Even though it's a little later in the day, I'm just still lagging a little bit, feels like. Not fully functioning. Trader Joe's matcha almond beverage. It's delicious. I'm a big fan. Plus, It's just the easiest thing in the world to make, because actually you don't make anything. Just fill a cup with ice, pour in the matcha, and voila, the drink is done. Got the straw. It's yummy. Okay, I'm gonna get some work done. Check with you guys in probably a few hours. Okay, a little bit later, poured myself some matcha. I'm gonna start getting ready for this holiday party, but I want to dermaplane my face, I think. I haven't done it in a little while. I think I could use a little touch up. Or I guess it is dermaplaning, but I'm using my Dermaflash. Yeah, here we are. Gotta get a new blade on here. Yeah, there we go. I have to wash my face with this pre-flash. So if you guys don't know, the Dermaflash is a little at-home dermaplaning system that helps you just remove dead skin and peach fuzz from your face. I actually got a question on my skincare routine video on my main channel asking if I shave my face, and this is what I do. I don't like shave my face, but I use this little dermaplaner. So you're meant to start by just using some of their pre-flash. Make sure your skin is nice and clean. And now you literally just turn this guy on. It has 2 power settings. I like to go on the fastest one now that I'm more experienced at it, but I definitely always used the less fast one when I was first starting because it's a little scary. And then you just sort of like pull your skin taut and do like this. You'll get some chunks of peach fuzz off, and it leaves your skin feeling incredibly soft. And it's really not scary. Like, I've never even come close to cutting myself with it. I don't even know if it's possible. Probably if you went like this across your face, yes, it would probably, you know, cut you, but I don't think there's like a real risk of cutting yourself as long as you're using it properly. It's like a nice chunk of peach fuzz there. Wait, let me see if I can show you guys that. See this stuff right here? All peach fuzz and dead skin. I think I did this on a vlog once and someone asked if I was scared of shaving my eyebrows off. Like, no. You don't get that close to your eyebrows, and like, I don't know if this is a powerful enough razor that even if you accidentally like swiped your eyebrows that it would shave them off. But I mean, obviously be careful. If anything, I think it's sort of nice. It like cleans up the top part of your eyebrows. Done. And then after that, you just put some Post Flash on, which is just a little moisturizer, and you're done. And then obviously I will use a little bit of my own skincare products as well, but I do like to use theirs to make sure that my skin gets nicely moisturized right away. I feel like I've looked less than my best. Every day of Vlogmas so far, I've just been really just hanging out with Connor most days, or like hanging out at home. There's not really a reason to do my makeup when I'm just doing that. I'm super paranoid about putting product on my neck now because one time a facialist told me that I have tech neck, which basically means I've spent my whole life like this on my phone, which I guess I have. So I have like wrinkles on my neck, and now I'm really like self-conscious about the wrinkles on my neck, which is totally ridiculous. Realistically, I'm not, but like sort of a little. Now like anytime I notice them, I'm like, ugh, I don't know that I'm supposed to have wrinkles there when I'm 25. I guess I'll like try to look cute for this party. It really is like a low-key gathering. I think it's just a fun excuse to like dress up a little holiday-y. Maybe I'll do a red lip. Let's see what colors I have in here. Sort of that gold. I bet that's pretty. Oh, and this guy over here. Okay, I'm gonna start with a matte brown and run that through the crease of my eye. Cool, and now I'm gonna grab gold out of here. Oh, these eyeshadows, whenever I touch them, they feel so creamy. I love them. Oh, that's a really pretty gold color. Like I need something. Maybe we'll start with a little bit of a darker brown. Deepen up that outer corner there. Okay, whatever. I'll use some green eyeliner. Very festive. Put that in waterline. Okay, that'll do. I'm gonna put on my Kylie matte red lip.
Fast away, the old year passes.
And done. Alrighty, gotta figure out what I'm gonna wear now. Thinking maybe, oh yeah, that'll be cute, like my white pants and my blue turtleneck. I really like that look. And then I can put my hair up in a ponytail, because the ponytail looks good with that look, and not have to worry about doing my hair. Okay, just got dressed. I actually opted for a black turtleneck instead of the blue one. Maybe I'll wear these. These are sort of cute. I don't wear them very often. Okay, cute. I feel like I look a million times better than I've looked the entirety of Vlogmas. Okay, I'm gonna get myself together and get ready to head out to this party. Outfit, I have on this black turtleneck, white pants, white sneakers, bundling up with this jacket here, and we are off and we're taking the metro, so let's go.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
So as predicted, did not get that many clips of this party. You know, sometimes there are things that you just don't vlog. You guys get the gist. But it was a white elephant party. I forget if I told you that. The white elephant gift that I won was this amazing popcorn tin. Do you guys know these things? I left it out on the table, so my favorite popcorn, the cheesy popcorn, is sort of running low. Oh, I can't get it open, it doesn't matter, I'm not gonna have any more. Anyway, I got a popcorn tin. It has butter popcorn, cheesy popcorn, and caramel popcorn in it. So obviously won the best gift of all, but pretty amazing holiday gift. Oh, and now it's like 12:30 a.m. So it's time to get this makeup off my face and head to bed. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.
So I'm off